Just going to go through and show the working explanation for 4.13m. First step is looking at the left-hand side. We've got to express the left-hand side with a common denominator, which in this case is going to be 10. If you can have a look here, you can see that to get 10, you've got to multiply the left-hand side by left-hand side of the left-hand side by 5 over 5, and likewise here 5 times 2 over 2. So we'll end up with a common denominator in both cases of 10, and we're left with on the left-hand side here. So at the moment, the first thing I'd like to do is, because we've got a situation such as now A over B is equal to C, and we really just have to get that B up here so they can change places. So looking here, I'd like to get rid of the 10 from this side by multiplying 6 by 10. So looking there, you can see that I've multiplied by 10, and I'm also about now to apply the distributive law to the left-hand side to then group the p's. So we've got 15p minus 4p is 11p, plus 5 equals 60. Take away the 5, divide by the 11. Now when you can see that, I've done that. The next stage is to check your work. So just by checking through, 8 minus 2 obviously is equal to 6, so we're just going through there, checking our work. We know our answer there of p is equal to 5 is correct. Okay, we'll try Q now. So I'd like you just to give that one a go. Express the left-hand side with the lowest common denominator. You see there, we'll go through a little more complicated on the numerator, but we'll just multiply now by 6 on both sides to remove it from the left-hand side. As you can see there, I'll now apply the distributive law, and now I'll group the k's and solve in 2 further steps. Now this one looks a bit messy, but we'll get our answer there of k is equal to negative 7 on 4, or 1 3/4. Now checking this one without your calculator is a little bit tricky here, but yes, we do get 24 over 12, which is equal to 2, the right-hand side when we do check. So give those a go. The first 2 steps here are the important ones here to follow, but each of these is of a very similar type.